Hello mga Hunters! Today, we're talking about another job opening for a live chat representative. Yes, you heard that right. It's a remote job, which means you can work from home, your favorite cafe, or while you are on a vacation. So, if you are looking for a remote job, stay tuned because this one might be perfect for you. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kath. I'm a social media VA. At dito, maghahunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, ESL jobs, tips, tools, at lahat-lahat na nalalaman ko based on my experience as a VA. So if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. So ano nga ba ang role ng isang live chat representative? So basically, you will be assisting customers via live chat. So it's like a customer service representative, pero instead na phone calls is magre-response kayo or haharapin ninyo is through chat. So here are some key responsibilities dito sa kumpanyang ito. First, respond to customer inquiries. You'll handle questions and concerns from customers in real time through chat. Second, provide accurate information. It's important to give customers the correct information they need, resolve issues, help solve any problems or issues the customers might have, maintain records, keep detailed records of customer interactions and transactions. And no worries mga hunter, kasi sa company ito, meron silang training at the same time, meron din kayong guide na babasahin so that you will know how to respond your customers. Now, let's talk about the requirements. So, ano nga ba ang kailangan upang makuha ang trabahong ito? First, good communication skills. Since you will be chatting with customers, kailangan magaling kang makipag-communicate in English and that's a requirement. Or depende sa company, meron ding Tagalog. Typing skills, fast and accurate timing is a must. So usually nasa 35 to 40 words per minute ang nire-require. Third, customer service experience. It's a plus if you have previous experience in customer service. But dito mga hunters, no experience is required. So, entry-level applicants are welcome. Tech savvy, since you will be working online, you need to be comfortable using different software and tools. Kasi you will handle your own troubleshooting or fix yung computer if magkaroon ng problem. Now, alam ko ang iniisip ninyo, ano nga ba ang benefits ng job na ito? Well, aside from working remotely, you also get to enjoy flexible working hours, which is perfect if you have other commitments, or pagod na kayo or exhausted na kayo sa pagkukommute daily, which is a very big problem, especially sa Manila, if you are in Manila. And then, ayaw mong gumising ng maaga. And then, ayaw mong mag-makeup or anything. So, you can start your work from bed anytime. And, here are other benefits na ino-offer ng kumpanyang ito. So, first, work-life balance. You can work from anywhere and have more time for your family and hobbies. Save money and time. No more commuting means you save on transportation costs and have more time for yourself. Growth opportunities. Many companies offer training and growth opportunities for their remote employees. Now, aside from that, the company will also give joining bonus for successful candidates upon starting their employment. Travel and spending expenses covered for work-related activities. and parental leave to support employees who are starting or expanding their families. So, I think hindi ganito yung ibang mga companies. So, sa lahat ng mga na-feature ko dito, ito lang yata yung merong parental leave to support employees. Now, the company is Meralco. According to them, they prioritize employee development and well-being, offering support in both personal and professional growth. Their remote work setup allows for a flexible and inclusive work environment where every team member has the opportunity to thrive. Now, the deadline of this application is July 1, 2024, and the salary ranges from 28,105 up to 44,968 monthly. And note mga Hunter, no prior experience is required and entry-level applicants are very much welcome to apply sa posisyong ito. Now, if you are interested to apply, ilalagay ko ang link sa description box below. So, check the link sa description or sa pinned comment. So, don't miss out the chance to work from home and enjoy a flexible lifestyle. So, that's it mga Hunter. This is really a great opportunity kasi dito lang yan sa Pilipinas and malaki na din yung offer at non-voice pa. So, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, follow our Facebook page and TikTok account for more hiring updates at saka mga hiring positions. Thank you for always watching and happy hunting!